up? I hope all y'all are having a wonderful day. Today's November 4th. Today is my grandma's birthday, man. Rest in peace, Grandma. I'm gonna dedicate this day to you. The fog just finally lifted, man. We had a beautiful, beautiful foggy display this morning. And this is just one of them days you're just happy to be alive. November 4th, the high is 72 in Indiana today. I'm hoping it wakes the small jaws up. I've been up since 6 o'clock, but I've kind of been dragging my feet, thinking it's warm weather, sun popping up, thinking that it might warm things up a little bit and hopefully turn the bite on. Stop looking under this bridge and, ooh, okay, there's some smallies. Coming up on this bridge. Let's see if we can see if there's any fish at the bottom. Usually see all kinds of fish standing up here. It's a good wide section of the creek too. Looks like a dead snapping turtle. Not too sure what that is. Some kind of little bass, little sunfish right there. Actually a big sunfish. We got a sucker or shad. Pretty crazy. You can literally see every fish in here. Right there is a bass. There's 2 smallies. Right there. Decent ones. Real decent ones. Definitely no giants, but seeing fish, I can definitely get down right there too. Alright, got a little drop shot set up, and I'm going to use a real small drop shot worm. This one here is a robo worm, and the color's Aaron's Magic. Little robo worm, they got the salt strip going down them. Looks like they were sitting about 6 to 8 inches off the bottom. I'm going to crank the brakes down real low. Just kind of skip this baby out there. Okay, here they are. They're right. Man, this is going to be tough. They're like straight underneath me. Got him. That was crazy. That was crazy. What? Check him out. Beautiful smallmouth. Caught right off the bridge. Yes, sir. I didn't think we was going to get one today, y'all. Now, I told you guys we was going to do whatever it took to catch some fish today, and there you have it. Check him out. This little textbook hook set from up above. Crazy thing is this fish right here was actually underneath me a little bit. I had to pitch it underneath me. I bumped it maybe twice and he came up and smoked it. I'm not going to be cruel and just toss him off the bridge, so I'm going to walk down here and give him a nice respectful release. And hopefully he don't go snitch on me. But man, what a smallmouth. November 4th. Still catching bass. See, bro? There you go. I'm glad he went that way. Alright, there's the fish. They're really hiding under there now. See if we can find a different set. Shit, ain't it? It is, yeah.
Always caught my smallmouth on that side of the creek on up. There by the log cabin, man.
Down there, that's where I'm gonna go. Well, it was kind of weird seeing all them bass underneath that bridge because we're talking knee deep, if that. And honestly, I thought the fish were all shallow, but they're definitely schooled up. Every fish I seen was at least 3 or more. Very deep. Those fish were shallow. I don't know. Alright, I lost my drop shot weight. I don't know if I have any more. So I just grabbed the first thing I came to, which was a little bullet weight. It's actually a little junk lead bullet weight. I'm about down to 8 inches. Alright, now I've had these little drop shot worms for years. Just been waiting on the right occasion to use them, and today's the day. We got that water, it's starting to get stained. Almost looks like tea colored. It's still very clear, but from all the leaves they got it kind of the stain. I mean, you can't tell me that sucker don't look like it won't catch fish. Alright, y'all, I'm about to definitely hop on this fish over here. That's 3 or 4 times now I've seen him chasing stuff. And I think I got the perfect bait tied on. That might have been a carp there. That was something massive. Alright, y'all, I just seen a bass blitz on a couple minnows over here. All the way on the other side. I'm hoping I can get over there. That was a terrible first cast. Oh man, I didn't have the camera turned on. I earned this fish right here. This was awesome, man. This little guy was chasing minnows, and I put it right out there where he was at, and he crushed it. Hard-earned fish right there. We got fish number 2. Little 1/4 pound spotted bass. See, that's crazy. Thought for sure I had the camera going. Almost bet if I just stand here and watch. You gotta find the active fish. Somehow I made it right out there to where he was without backlashing. Oh, it feels good. Haven't caught a big fish in a while. I'm due for a big one. Man, I'm gonna scare this fish, I know it. There's no sneaking in these sycamore leaves. Is that that fish? Is that that fish? Is he coming? For some reason I thought I seen a wake. Got myself all hyped up for nothing. Hey, man, he freaking inhaled it too. I thought it was a monster, y'all, ain't gonna lie. Check him out. He inhaled that swim bait. And that is fish number 3. It's a largemouth bass. So we've got 3 bass, every one of them different species. Definitely a different little video. See you. Man, I thought the camera was running again. Oh well, fish number 4, spotted bass. Man, that was a beautiful catch too. Beep. Check him out, y'all. Stiff as a board, super cold. And ready to get back in the water. Thanks for playing, bro. Let me get you out in there a little. Failed to get the catch on camera. Hopefully catching him didn't blow out the spot. I would like to get one more to make it a 5-fish day. It was a hard-earned 5. Be nice to pull it off. Caught 3 so far on this little swim bait. Only one smallie. There's a smallie. Yes, sir. Fish number 5. Smallmouth. Got the roots of them gums all red. Been munching. Caught him all the way over there on that other corner. Good night, y'all. That's 5 fish. I was hoping I could come right here and peg a couple and caught them at the right time. Just like the other fish, same spot. Get him out in there a little bit. See, bro. Long cast, man. This clear water. Gotta be long cast. Both of them fish I caught out of here, they hit it and shot out that way. It's crazy. Another one. Let's go. Number 6. And they're just inhaling it. Nice. I hit a little magic hour, man. Nothing big though. I'm still hoping for that big one. Fish number 6. Little 1/4 pound smallmouth. See you, bro. Crazy thing is, I caught all of them on the same Kitech. That doesn't happen too often. Put in work with that one paddle tail. Kitech, baby. I would love to put 2 more in just to finish the day off. I don't know though. Losing time. I'm getting hungry. Well, that's gonna about wrap it up. This little rig right here was the winner today.